Hey yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching our channel, Tech It Simple. And we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn on two-factor authentication in Coinbase, also known as 2FA. So basically, it's a security measure, which increases the level of security in your Coinbase. If you guys have not yet turned this on, then basically your account might be at risk. Because without 2FA, if a person has an email and your password, they can log in into your Coinbase. But if you have a two-factor authentication turned on, they need to have your phone as well or your email, which is linked with your Coinbase account. Otherwise they can't write. So let me show you guys how we guys can turn it on. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for future video. Let's jump into the video now, shall we? First step, you got to come to Coinbase. Come log in into your account and click on your profile picture, look an icon and go on setting. Once you come over here, wait for some time and go in security. Now over here, there's like levels of 2FA. So the first 2FA is going to be your phone number or your email, whichever thing you used when you created your Coinbase account. I used my phone number when I created my Coinbase account. So my phone number is already entered over here. But if you guys have not yet entered your phone number, you can enter your phone number over here. Once you enter your phone number, you gotta verify it. And once you verify your phone number, what's going to happen is whenever you try to log in into your Coinbase account, a code is going to be sent to your phone's SMS, and you got to look in that SMS, see the code, type ID then on the login into your account. And if you have used your email, a verification code is going to be sent your email, you got to see the code, type that code and then only log in into your Coinbase account. But if you think that much is not enough, the other 2FA you can turn on is Authenticator. You can click on select and you can link your Authenticator with your Coinbase, and you can easily download Authenticator on Google Play Store, right? Whichever one you like. You can download that link at Victor Coinbase and use that, and it's going to give you a code, and that code is going to change every 30 seconds. So you got to make sure you type that code within that 30 seconds. And if you want to get like a physical security, you can use a security key, alright. So basically this is like the page for your 2FA, right? So that's how we guys can turn on a 2FA on Coinbase. Like and subscribe, bye bye.